Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this BenQ RD320U 32-inch 4K programming monitor, the link is waiting for you in the description. This display is one of those devices that instantly changes the way your workspace feels. It's built with a focus on clarity, comfort, and precision. Something that anyone who works with lines of code or text-heavy tasks will appreciate the moment it lights up. The RD320U uses a 32-inch 4K panel that delivers sharpness that feels almost studio-grade. At 3840 by 2160 resolution, every detail stands out. The edges of text, the fine visual elements in apps, subtle gradients, UI icons, and detailed spreadsheets. The 2000:1 contrast ratio adds depth you can immediately notice. Dark themes look richer, bright elements look cleaner, and everything feels more defined without extra saturation. One of the most impressive things about this monitor is the Nano Matte Panel. Instead of the usual heavy anti-glare coating that sometimes causes a grainy look, this one handles reflections with a smooth, clean finish. You can sit near a window under overhead lighting or in a mixed light environment, and you won't get those harsh reflections bouncing back at you. It gives you a more premium viewing feel, almost like the screen absorbs light instead of scattering it. The internal backlight system is also tuned for long work sessions. Consistency is the key here, uniform brightness across the entire panel with minimal flicker. When you combine that with BenQ's iFocus features, you end up with a display that feels comfortable even during late nights. The automatic brightness adjustments, low blue light controls, and night hours protection all come together to reduce strain when working past sunset. What makes this monitor unique for programmers are the specialized coding modes. These modes aren't just color filters. They're purposefully designed to enhance readability by adjusting contrast, boosting text clarity, and separating syntax elements visually. Whether you're writing back-end logic, switching between frameworks, or debugging large files, these preset modes create an environment where your eyes work less and focus more. Connectivity is another major advantage. The 90W USB-C port serves as both a display connection and a full power source for your laptop. This means you plug in once and your entire setup is ready. Charging, display output, accessories, everything. HDMI, DisplayPort, and extra USB ports make the RD320U a central station for your devices and accessories without making your desk a cable mess. The ergonomic design is built for people who spend hours in front of the screen. Height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot all give you full control over your viewing angles. Rotating it vertically is especially helpful when dealing with long documents, logs, or code files that stretch endlessly. The stand is sturdy and stable, making the entire setup feel professional and well-crafted. What really defines this monitor is how balanced it feels. Instead of chasing ultra gaming specs or dramatic HDR numbers, everything is focused on productivity. The image is clear without over-sharpening, the colors are accurate without being oversaturated, and the brightness is powerful without being overwhelming. It's the kind of monitor you can work on for 10 hours straight and still feel comfortable. If you're someone who juggles multiple applications at once, coding windows, browser tabs, design tools, communication apps, and documentation, this monitor gives you enough screen real estate to stay organized. Everything stays readable, clean, and razor-sharp, which helps you move through tasks faster and with fewer distractions. This isn't just a monitor. It's a workspace upgrade. It improves focus, reduces eye strain, enhances multitasking, and creates a cleaner workflow. If you want a display built for long-term performance and productivity, the RD320U is one of the strongest options available right now. Check out the link in the description if you want to see more or get one for your setup.